In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for voting. If you're in need of a simple and efficient way to collect votes or opinions, Microsoft Forms can be a great tool for you. Let's dive right into the process and get you started with your very own voting form. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft Forms website and sign in using your Microsoft 365 credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to create one, and this will give you access to a suite of powerful tools. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is click on New Form. This sets the stage for you to start creating your voting form. After clicking New Form, you'll notice an untitled form appears. Here, you'll want to go ahead and click on the title field. This allows you to name your form, which is especially useful if you're planning to create multiple forms and need to keep things organized. Next, it's time to add a description to your poll. Adding a description helps give context to your voters, which can make your poll much more effective. You might want to explain the purpose of the poll and any details that voters might need to keep in mind. With your title and description in place, it's time to craft your questions. Click on the plus add new button to start adding questions to your form. You'll see a variety of question types, but since we're focusing on a voting scenario, you'll want to select the choice question type. This format is perfect for voting as it allows respondents to choose between predefined answers. Now type in the question that you need votes on. It could be something like, which project should we prioritize, or where should we host the next company outing? Be clear and concise to avoid any confusion. Following this, move on to the option fields where you can input the possible answers. These are the options your participants will choose from, and you can add as many as needed to cover all potential choices. Once you've input your questions and options, it's crucial to preview your form. Click on Preview to check how it will appear to your respondents. This is your chance to ensure everything looks polished and functions correctly. Make any necessary adjustments before moving on. Finally, to share your masterpiece, you'll want to click on Collect Responses. This feature provides different ways to distribute your form, such as a link or an email, reaching out to your intended audience. Whether you're gathering votes from a team, a classroom, or a community, sharing is the last step in launching your form successfully. And that's it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to create and share a voting form using Microsoft Forms. Thank you for watching, and happy voting.